this wig right here, she is so big, fluffy, and full. Exactly how I envisioned this wig. Like Diana Ross style. Give it to me, baby. Yes. So this is my first time reviewing a wig from MsLynn, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. I am rocking their Kinky Curly 26-inch 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig, and it is 180% density. As you can see, this baby can get really full. I wanted to style the hair today. I did wet it down a little bit, but I wanted the curls to still be really nice, full, and fluffy, and that's exactly what this is giving. Love it so much. I've done the kinky curly style several times on my channel, but I wanted to do it in a longer length. So this one is 26 inches and I am loving it. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed and styled this wig right here, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. My wig arrived in this black and gold box. It had a 13x4 frontal transparent lace, 3 wig combs in the front, 1 wig comb in the back. It did have extra lace if you want to put it up in a ponytail, and it does have curly edges on the wig. This is the natural kinky curly texture of the wig after just co-washing the hair with no product. And I'm going to go ahead and throw the wig on my head, remove all the excess lace, just going around my natural hairline, cutting it in a zigzag motion with scissors. So I'm taking my favorite adhesive spray. This is the Ebin Wonder Lace spray in the black can, and I'm spraying this across my entire hairline. We're gonna wait for it to get tacky until we lay that lace down. So now that the spray is nice and tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lace on top. I'm not worried about getting every single portion of the lace laid at this point. I'm just trying to get majority of it laid so that I can go back in and fix any areas that need to add adhesive. So now I'm fixing the areas that were not laid by the initial adhesive spray across my entire forehead. So I'm going to go ahead and go underneath each of those areas and then lay it with the back of my rack tail comb. And then I'm just making sure that the ear tag area is nice and secure, because this is where it tends to lift the fastest. So you want to make sure that that area is nice and secured, as I'm doing right here. And to further melt that lace, I'm going to use an elastic band, and this is really going to help to melt that lace into the skin. I do keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to do my makeup, and makeup is done. The lace is laid. As you can see, I'm loving it, y'all. And this is transparent lace. This isn't even HD. Let's go ahead and put this in a middle parting today for today's style. Next, I'm going to take my Ebin Mango Wax Stick and run it across the entire parting area to get that prepped for the hot comb. I'm also using a little bit of the olive oil spritz, and then I'm running my hot comb down that area to get it nice and flat. So you could definitely leave the hair just like this, but it was a little bit frizzy at the top from me plucking the hairline further. So I'm gonna take a leave-in conditioner mixed with water. This is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey one. I will link it in the description box down below for y'all, as well as that water spray bottle, because I love it. And I'm generously drenching the hair, and then I'm also using the brush and I'm scrunching it with my hands until I get the desired texture that I want. I didn't want the curls to be super defined. That's why I'm not going in with a curling cream or a mousse. I just wanted the curls to be a bit more defined up top, not frizzy, but I wanted the hair to still be nice and full by the time that it dries. So this definitely gave me the exact style that I wanted, and I'm obsessed, y'all. So here is the style, y'all. The hair is still damp here, so I'm gonna let it fully air dry, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like, but it looks super cute wet as well. As you can see, it was super easy to install plus style this hair. I wanted to keep the hair down, keep it nice and full and fluffy, and that is what it is giving. If you're interested in checking out this wig from MsLynn, I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If y'all enjoyed this wig install video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. If you have not already watched my latest video, I did film a full get ready with me hair plus makeup style. Be sure to click the box right here and it's going to take you straight to that video.